In 2026, the luxury car market is a minefield. Brands are ditching legendary engines for overstressed hybrids and screens that cost $5,000 to replace. But while the industry is chasing trends, one Japanese giant is doubling down on what actually matters: reliability. Today, at Drive Logic, we're looking at why the 2026 Lexus lineup, specifically the redesigned ES, might be the last smart investment you ever make. The Lexus Revolution 2026 ES. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, the 8th generation Lexus ES. For years, the ES was the sensible choice, but for 2026, it's been completely reborn. It's longer, wider, and features a chassis that finally matches its European rivals for handling. But here's the Drive Logic take. Lexus didn't just add tech, they refined the powertrain. Whether you're looking at the ES 350-H hybrid or the all-new electric variants, Lexus is using 6th generation battery tech. While German luxury SUVs are struggling with software glitches and sensor failures, the ES is built to hit 300,000 miles without breaking a sweat. If you're a buyer who values your time and your wallet, this is the gold standard. The Acura Alternative, Integra and MDX. Now, if you want something with a bit more soul, we have to look at Acura. The 2026 Integra Type S remains the king of the sport compact segment. In a world where every car feels like a heavy iPad on wheels, the Integra gives you a 320 horsepower manual experience that is increasingly rare. And for the families, the 2026 MDX remains the safest bet in the three-row segment. Acura has finally fixed the infotainment, adding Google built-in as standard. It's a precision machine that doesn't feel like a compromise. It's the perfect bridge for the driver who wants luxury performance without the luxury repair bills. The money pit warning. Compare this to the 2026 European competition. We are seeing a massive spike in out-of-warranty repair costs for complex air suspensions and integrated mild hybrid systems. These cars are beautiful for the first 3 years, but they become financial nightmares the moment the lease ends. At Drive Logic, we track the data, and the data says, stay Japanese if you plan to own your car for more than 48 months. The verdict. The 2026 market is about one thing: choosing engineering over ego. Whether it's the redesigned Lexus ES or the refined Acura MDX, the smart money is moving toward brands that prioritize longevity. But what do you think? Would you take a 2026 Lexus over a BMW X5? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to drive smarter, hit that subscribe button for Drive Logic. We'll see you in the next one.